Gorgeous. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Beauty Okotie, Beauty of APRIL7STYLE, and I'm so excited to be back on YouTube after 2 years. Well, why I haven't been on YouTube, that's story for another day, but let's just get right into today's video. In this channel, we share faith, fashion, lifestyle, and style tips. So Valentine is around the corner, and I'm excited to share gift ideas with you for the Valentine. Now, let's be real. When people think of Valentine Day, they only think about lovers, romantic relationship. But Valentine Day is not a day that should be meant for lovers. It's a day that we should share kindness, love, and appreciation to special people around us. It could be our family, someone that has impacted us, a mentor, not just romantic relationship, or it could even be like someone in need, like do something nice for them. So in this video, I'll be sharing gift ideas this Valentine season. But before we get right into this video, let's just look at some brief history about Valentine. According to history, Valentine was named after a Christian priest in Rome, Saint Valentine. So according to legend, he was known for his kindness, marrying couples secretly, and helping people in need. So over time, February 14th became a day that would show love to people around us, not just romantic relationship, be it your family, friends, people in need. Let's get to the gift ideas. Our parents and grandparents, reason for us to show appreciation and love to those that raised us. So getting them a gift like a personalized photo album will be so thoughtful. Pay attention to what they've been saying they want and try to get them, or what you think they need and try to get them. It will be so thoughtful. Then letters, you can write thoughtful letters of what they mean to you. Trust me, it might seem like this is so there, but they will appreciate it, because when you write what someone means to you, it just goes a long way. Of course, for our partners, we can't forget our partners of Valentine's Day, because it has been made to revolve around our partners, but that's by the way. So for our partners, we can plan a dinner date. It might not be in a fancy restaurant, it could be at home, but just a customized dinner date, a memory jar, memories that you both have shared together. You can just write them in a jar and read it to them, or just give it to them. Then after they read it, and I think it will bring connection in the relationship and just make the relationship all looking you know what I mean. And a customized jewelry, you can customize the name of your partner or the initial of your name and that of your partner's name, and make it into a fancy gold jewelry and gift it to them. It would be so nice. I would really love if someone does that for me. I mean, a girl loves gold. Spa dates with your partners, it would be so cool, just to help you both relax. So for your friends, of course, we have to celebrate our tribe. They've been there for us through the ups and the downs. So I would suggest you do a friendship bracelet for your friends. So our friends might not be around where we are, so you can do game nights virtually with your friends. Customize tote bags or mugs for your friends and just write something beautiful. I remember one of my friends bought me a tote bag and wrote my name with love all around the tote bag. It was so thoughtful and nice. I liked it. I was carrying the bag everywhere. So if you do this for your friend, I'm pretty sure they will appreciate the gesture. And for everyone around you, or your colleagues, your neighbors, you can just give them gifts with personalized notes. You can buy them cookies and just gift it to them. You can help them with their shopping cart, probably something they want to get, groceries they want to get. You can help them by paying for it, and it just shows that you're a nice neighbor or a nice colleague. For yourself, don't forget yourself. You have to love yourself. If you do not love yourself, how can you love others? Start dates for you to help you relax, get or that thing that you've been wanting to get. This is a very good time for you to spoil yourself. You can take yourself on a date, solo movie dates, solo trip and all that. Remember, we cannot give what you do not have, so you have to give yourself love. Then lastly, simple ways to show love. Well, it is not everybody that loves material gifts, and then also you might be slim on a budget. You might not have financial capability to do these things for your people, and you want to show them love. You can actually show them love by spending quality time with them. If your friends they are far, you could have actually like just call them and talk for long hours with them, and then you could help them do chores or just act of service. It shows love. Love doesn't have to be about money alone or gifts. You can do that by your act of service. Also, word of affirmation, the things you say to them, just affirm them of your relationship. To wrap up this video, Valentine's Day is about spreading love and joy and appreciating meaningful people in life. So the key to whatever it is that you're going to do for this season is making whatever it is you want to thoughtful, and it should be from your heart. Like, do it genuinely. It shouldn't be forced. It shouldn't be, oh, because people are doing it, so I have to do it. It shouldn't be forced. It should be genuine. That's all about the Valentine gift ideas. So guys, if you have your go-to tradition for Valentine gift ideas, or you have other gift ideas in mind, you can share in the comment section. I would love to hear it. So we've come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like, comment, and share so that other people get to see it. Yes. So thank you very much. See you in my next video.